Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Sololearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the Learn page, from which you can directly begin various different lessons. Now, if you wish to change the name that you have set within your profile, then go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. From this page, click on the three dots at the top right and then tap on Edit Profile. This will now take you into the Profile Edit page. From here, just tap on your current profile username and then type in your preferred username. After typing in your name, tap on the Save button, and now your username will be updated within your Sololearn application right away. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your username. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Sololearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.